Good afternoon, friends. Myself Jansar Kishore from Naukar Institute. Today, I will teach in Standard 10 English Grammar, Part 8 Direct Indirect Speech. Last time I explained you the imperative sentence. I give the explanation. Today, I will learn some examples. So, the first example is our teacher said to the boys, open your notebook. Now, our teacher is a reporter. Said to is a reported verb. The boys is a listener. And open your notebook, that is reported speech. So, first of all, you have to write down our teacher. Now, there is a open your notebook, that is order. So, our teacher ordered the boys. In place of conjunction, we have to put to open. Your is used for the boys. So open their notebook. Okay. Again, I repeat the sentence. Our teacher ordered the boys to open their notebook. Now, see the second one. The science teacher said to me, please get me some onions. Now, in this sentence, the science teacher is a subject, said to is a reported verb, me is a listener, and please get me some onions, that is reported speech. So, first of all, you have to write down the science teacher said to. In place of said to, we have to write down requested, because we can see that in the RS, the beginning of the RS, there is a please. So, science teacher requested me to get. In place of conjunction, we have to put to get him. Now, the science teacher, you can write down, if you count as a male, then you can write down him. If count as a female, then you can write down her. To get him some onions. Now, see the third one. The officer said, don't go till 6 o'clock. The officer ordered. Now, in place of don't, I told you that you have to write down not to. So, the officer ordered not to go till 6 o'clock. Now, the fourth sentence, the mother said to children, don't go near the cage. The mother is a reporter. The mother, again we have to write down order. The mother ordered children not to go near the cage. Now, next sentence, please show me your manager's cabin, said the visitor. So, here the reporter is the visitors. So, first of all, you write down the visitors. The visitor requested, because in the beginning of the RS there is a please word is given. The reporter requested in place of conjunction, we would write down to. The visitor requested to show him the manager's cabin. Now, next sentence, the principal said Mr. Shah, keep your register in your drawer. So reporter is the principal suggested Mr. Shah to keep his register in his drawer. Now the next sentence, the traffic police said stop the car here. Now the traffic police is a reporter and traffic police always ordered. So the traffic police ordered to stop the car there. In place of here we have to write down there. Now next sentence, show me your way to the station, said the stranger to the scout. The stranger is a reporter and the scout is a listener. So first of all we have to write down the reporter. The stranger requested the scout. In place of conjunction we have to write down to show him the way to the station. Okay, so again I repeat the answer, the 8th sentence, the stranger requested the scout to show him the way to the station. So here I explain you 8 examples. I hope you will understand, and I will give you some homework. So I hope you will learn proper way and you will do the homework in a proper way. Thank you very much to listen me carefully.